Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me again for your daily dose of randomly generated Lovecraftian phrases, produced by the Lovecraft engine. You can have fun with the Lovecraft engine too. Just type the Lovecraft engine into your favorite search engine and look it up. Go and have a play with it. The Lovecraft engine, that is. I wasn't suggesting anything else. Anyway, let's push the button together. Today's phrase is that protoplasmic leprous aberration. Thank you. Today's reading was brought to you by the Black Dog Chronicles on YouTube. Please help by coming along and supporting the Black Dog Chronicles. Look us up. You can find some of Lovecraft stories and some other ones too that you might enjoy. I hope to see you there. Until tomorrow, and remember, look out for the shadow.